The Sun is the solar system's star and by far its most massive component. The Sun releases an enormous amount of energy, mostly radiated into space as electromagnetic radiation peaking in visible light. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury has no natural satellites. Besides impact craters, its only known geological features are lobed ridges or rips that were probably produced by a period of contraction early in its history. Venus, 0.7 astronomical units from the Sun, is close in size to Earth, 0.815 Earth masses, and, like Earth, has a thick silicate mantle around an iron core, a substantial atmosphere, and evidence of internal geological satellites. It is the hottest planet, with surface temperatures over 400 degrees Celsius, 752 degrees Fahrenheit, most likely due to the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. One astronomical unit from the Sun, is the largest and densest of the inner planets, the only one known to have current geological activity, and the only place where life is known to exist. The hydrosphere is unique among the terrestrial planets, and it is the only planet where plate tectonics has been observed. Radically different from those of the other planets, having been altered by the presence of life to contain 21% free oxygen. Astronomical units from the Sun, is smaller than Earth and Venus, 0.107 Earth masses. It has an atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide with a surface pressure of 6.1 millibars, roughly 0.6% of that of Earth. 6% of that of Earth. Such as Olympus Mons, and rift valleys, such as Valles Marineris, shows geological activity that may have persisted until as recently as 2 million years ago. Comes from iron oxide, rust, in its soil. Together, it is composed largely of hydrogen and helium. The four largest moons of Jupiter, Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa, show similarities to the terrestrial planets, such as volcanism and internal heating. Ganymede, the largest satellite in the solar system, is larger than Mercury. Saturn, 9.5 astronomical units, distinguished by its extensive ring system, has several similarities to Jupiter, such as its atmospheric composition and magnetosphere. Although Saturn has 60% of Jupiter's volume, it is less than a third as massive, at 95 Earth masses. Saturn is the only planet of the solar system that is less dense. The rings of Saturn are made up of small ice and rock particles. Saturn has 62 confirmed satellites composed largely of ice. Two of these, Titan and Enceladus, show signs of geological activity. Uranus, 19.2 astronomical units, at 14 Earth masses, is the lightest of the outer planets. Uniquely among the planets, it orbits the Sun on its side. Its axial tilt is over 90 degrees to the ecliptic. They're giant planets and radiates very little heat into space. 91. Uranus has 27 known satellites, the largest ones being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. Neptune, 30.1 astronomical units, though slightly smaller than Uranus, is more massive, equivalent to 17 Earths, and hence more. It radiates more internal heat, but not as much as Jupiter or Saturn. Neptune has 14 known satellites. The largest, Triton, is geologically active, with geysers of liquid nitrogen.